How to clear your listening history on SoundCloud. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear your listening history on SoundCloud easy and fast. So all what you have to do is download SoundCloud, then go to it, and after you listen to music they will be saved on your listening history. Now if you want to clear your listening history, just go here down below, click on the library option. Now you have to go down here and you will find the listening history. Click see all right here to see all your listening. Now if you want to clear the history, just click in the top corner on this icon. After you click on it like this, click clear, and everything will be deleted instantly. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.